Hey guys, welcome to another HTML tutorials. In previous video, we learned about headings and paragraph elements in our HTML. Now in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to import images in your web page. So as we know, every content in HTML page has tags for headings like H1, H2, H3, and for paragraph elements P and BR as breakline input. We use these things as text elements. And for image, we use image as extension img, and we put less than and greater than symbol as besides of image. But image has no termination. We use src method to import an image from any location. Note, the image should be on same directory where your web page is located. So we put src under the image tag as the location, which means source, mean src, and we put image name and equals of src, and we have also to put the image format like jpg, png, and gif files. Since GIF files are not allowed in HTML, so we use JPG. So, suppose I will exa.jpg file, then we need to add description as an image. So we use alt function. It is used to show your description. Since description is not shown in your image, it is show you when your image does not show. That means if your image is not showing, then your description will show, then you will know here use image. So let's take an example. Here is in our code console, and it's our since previously code where we write, and let's run it again. So let's take it. Here's we made it in previous videos, and this is our heading and paragraph content, so many things. And let's add some images in our code. So as we know, image is an extension as img. Let's put img and src as source of image, and I have an image called engineer, and that's a png file, so I'll put png as extension of image. Now put a alt as a description for image. Alt equals to putting something, you can put anything as a description, so I'm putting engineer. Close this. Now save this and run. Open your browser and okay, refresh it. Here you can see our image is completely come. So as we do, you can also do and import some new images in your web page and specify something. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.